Kitchen-related phrasal verbs with examples. Bake off. To finish baking partially baked goods. She will bake off the cookies later to serve them fresh. Boil over. When a liquid spills over the top of the pot while boiling. The soup started to boil over because I left it unattended. Break down. The chef broke down the chicken into parts. The chef broke down the chicken into parts. Chop up. To cut into small pieces. Please chop up the vegetables for the salad. Clean up. To make the kitchen clean after cooking. We need to clean up after dinner. Cook up. To prepare a meal. He cooked up a delicious dinner for us. Cut back. To reduce the amount of an ingredient. She decided to cut back on sugar in her recipes. Cut out. To stop using or consuming something. He cut out dairy from his diet. Eat out. To have a meal at a restaurant. They decided to eat out for their anniversary. Fry up. To cook food by frying. I'll fry up some bacon for breakfast. Get together. To gather for a meal. Let's get together for dinner this weekend. Heat up. To make food hot. Heat up the leftovers for lunch. Lay out. To arrange food on a table. She laid out a spread of appetizers for the party. Mash up. To crush food until smooth. Mash up the potatoes with some butter and milk. Mix in. To combine an ingredient with others. Mix in the flour gradually to avoid lumps. Peel off. To remove the outer layer of food. Peel off the skin of the apples before slicing them. Pour out. To serve a liquid. He poured out the wine for the guests. Put away. To store food after use. Put away the leftovers in the fridge. Put on. To start cooking. I'll put on a pot of coffee. Serve up. To present food to be eaten. The chef served up a delicious main course. Dip in. To briefly immerse in a liquid. Dip the bread in the soup for more flavor. Slice up. To cut into thin pieces. Slice up the tomatoes for the salad. Whisk up. To beat ingredients together using a whisk. Whisk up the eggs for the omelette. Sprinkle on. To scatter a small amount of an ingredient over food. Sprinkle on some herbs for garnish.